Good morning, students. This is Shivraj Patel and welcome to Maths Chef YouTube channel. So next chapter is chapter number 10 ವೃತ್ತಗಳು. Okay. Remaining chapters ಆಗಿದಾವಲ್ಲ. Chapter number 10. Is it visible or not? Chapter number 10 circles. Okay. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವೃತ್ತಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ವೃತ್ತಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೃತ್ತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯ, ವ್ಯಾಸ, ಜ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ or the diameter or the circumference or the segment, line, sector. Okay, let's get the introduction by one. Okay, what the circle means. Okay, definition. Circle is the locus of points moves in a plane such that, okay, the locus of points means counting the like that. Locus of points, okay, locus of point moves in a plane, the board is plane, such that the distance between the fixed point to the all points, okay, all points are like is constant, same. Okay, locus of point means this is the only locus of point, whatever it may be. The points are connected to means point on point, connection between the 2 points, the locus of point, connecting point, right? Locus of a point moves on a plane such that the distance between the fixed point to the all points is constant. The line drawn, okay, this is the closed curve, line drawn on the plane from the fixed point. The line drawn in the plane from the fixed point is the distance between the points, line and point is constant. This is also called circle. Okay, this is the called circle. This is the called center. Okay, this is the called center O. First, okay, so in the 10th I am study geometry tangent ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್. Center is the fixed point where the line segment is drawn. Okay, the fixed point is called center. Circumference is the line connecting line is called circumference. The line drawn, the length of the line drawn from the fixed point in the plane is circumference. And the radius, the distance between the plane. Okay, first one is center. Some technical names. Center is O. Circumference is, okay, this is the hole. Okay, circumference. Next one is radius. Let's take the one point here, P. OP is the radius, the distance between the fixed point to the circumference. Okay, then directly I will go to the second. Okay, just I take this here called second. First take the second, very important. Second, second, very important here. Secant is the line cuts the 2 points of the circle. Okay, line cuts A, B, P with the Q. Okay, here PQ is a secant. Secant is the line cuts the circle at 2 points. Very important. Secant ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಆರ್ಕ್, ಲೈನ್, ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ is a line segment or line which are that which cuts circle at exactly at okay, so to that exactly here, exactly 2 points, exactly at 2 points, exactly at 2 points. Second is a line which cuts line circle exactly at 2 points. It's called second. Okay. If the part of circle, okay, very important, chord is, okay, chord is, also you can define the line segment connecting between the 2 points. That's also called the part of the second, between the 2 points on circle, circumference or circle, part of the second which connects the 2 points of the circle, circumference, also called the distance, okay, the line segment drawn between the 2 points in the circle is also called main. Okay, if the chord has 2 points, 2 connecting points, connect the 2 points in a circle. Okay, this is the cuts, very important. Second is cuts. Chord is connects 2 points, connects 2 points, 2 points, very important. What second is doing? It cuts the circle. What the chord is doing? It connects the points, right? Then diameter means again 2 points, but pass to the center. Diameter, okay. If the chord moves to the chord, or okay, this chord, okay, again we can call part of the second which passes through the circle and connect the 2 points. Part of a second which passes through the center and connect the 2 points. Also called the chord passes through the center. The chord passes through the center, also called diameter. Okay, see, diameter is the 2 times the radius. That is by the calculation purpose, but still technical terms the basic ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you get the some complex question you can make it easy, right? Diameter. Then second is over. Then let's take the arc here. What is the arc? Arc is the part of circumference. Okay, part of circumference. Okay, part of circumference. Let's consider this one as A and this one as B. This is called arc. Okay, if I take this direction as, if I am taking AB is a minor arc, it's not small distance. Okay, this symbol is only for the rotation, representation. It's not in vector, it difference. Okay, means we are lining it drawn from this one. Okay, for this one is there na, BA whole one is called major arc, right? AB is called minor, the small length, minor arc. I think so. It's not for the exam purpose. And ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು AB is small distance ಇದೆ, length ಇದೆ, minor arc. BA large distance is called major arc. Major arc, right? Then the segment. Okay, the segment is what? Technical terms ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. Segment. Okay, taken this one as, okay, this is the, okay, this is A again here. Also we taken A na, this we can take here C and D, right? C and D. Okay, this part is called, this arc is called, this portion is called, okay, CD. Okay, left portion is called minor segment. Why should I write this one as segment is portion of the card, okay? Portion of the circle, right? Part of circle. Part of circle. Segment is the part of circle. We have the minor segment, major segment. Minor and major. Depends on the part. Minor means called the small sector, small portion, and this one is the minor segment. Very important now. Have this different segment. Okay, it makes the line segment is the called, and this is the called major segment. Major segment. Next one is called sector. It depends on the area. Okay. The sector means area, the region made by the arc and two radii. Area or region made by the arc and two radii or a double I. Okay. This is the area. Okay, if AP is, this is the sector. Sector. It can be called OA, B, P. Is a sector. Is a minor sector. And remaining is O, P, C. Like this one as UG. Right? O, P, C, G, A is a major sector. Only for notation purpose, major sector. Okay, only for notation purpose. To give the meaning. Okay, now ಯಾವ ತರ meaning ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. It may not be mathematically accurate, means defined. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್. Center is the fixed point where the locus of points, locus of line is moving with a fixed distance. Circumference is connection of the all points in a plane with a fixed point. Radius is the distance between the center, means fixed point, to the circumference, on the circumference. Okay. Other part is interior points. Okay. Interior points means the points inside the circle. Exterior points means points outside the circle. On circumference means the point exactly on the circumference. Interior points means inside the circle. Exterior points means outside the circle. On points on points on the circumference means exactly on the circumference. Then radius is done. Second is very important here because it's a new concept we are learning. Second means second to the circle. Should define the radius as second to the circle. Like the tangent to the circle is like second to the circle. Right? The PQ. Second is the line segment or line cuts the circle at 2 points. Cuts the circle 2 points. So the which parts the circle 2 points. The chord is connect the part of the second where 2 points on circle are connecting. Our chords connecting 2 points. Okay, connecting the 2 points on a circle. CD. This one is again PA. PA there, no? Something else. Okay, whatever it may be. Any point between the line segment drawn between the 2 points on a circle. Very important, no? On a circle is called chord. Second is exterior point. The line segment drawn between the 2 points of 2 exterior points of a circle. Right? 2 exterior points of a circle which passes through the and cuts the circle also. Right? Diameter is the chord passes through the center is called diameter. Very important. And also double of the radius. Arc is part of the circumference. Length. Arc like we call smaller circumference is called minor arc. Larger circumference is called major arc. Line segment. Segment is there. This is part of the curve. See, I think so. Again, is chord and segment may get confused. Segment is this one, okay? This one without radius, okay? This portion, this circle, okay? This is the segment, okay? If it moves, okay, segment is this portion. Main segment, lateral segment. Sector means it depends on the radius. You should take the radius. Segment, we are taking only arc. Smaller arc, bigger arc. Okay, smaller segment, bigger segment or major segment. Radius is completely, the sector is completely from the radius point of view. The area between the two radius. The area small is called minor, remaining is called major. Okay. Sector is a concept based on the radii. Segment is concept based on the chord. Very important. That is the small difference. Right. After all, okay. After all, let's define the tangent. Right. This is the main concept subject in the chapter. Okay. Tangent to the circle. Very important main concept. Tangent to a circle. Tangent to a circle. Okay. Tangent is a touching point. Okay, in simple terms, where the line touches the circle exactly one point. Okay, let's take the circle here. One circle. Okay, these are the extra point connecting this one. It's moving this one. This is moving towards. Okay, exactly one point. Exactly one point. This is the tangent. Okay, the line segment. Okay, line segment drawn to the circle which touches exactly at the one point is called tangent, right? And so it moves towards like that. Okay, it moves towards this one. Okay, this is the center. Okay, chord again, exactly at the point here. Okay, the tangent is like it. Okay, see the line segment drawn from the exterior point of circle which touches exactly at one point of the circle is also called tangent. Basically, in local language, in the special case of second, second is moving towards where two points are coinciding at the one point. Tangent is also a special case of second, not chord, where two cutting points of a sequence. Cutting points means where the point circles and circle moves towards in such a way that the 2 points become a unique coincidence, one point. This is also called tangent. Okay, P, Q, R, yes, here P, Q and R are tangents. Okay, tangent is a special case of second where two cutting points, the points where inside the circle moves in such a way that the points becomes coincident, single point. That line is called tangent to the circle. Tangent line of tangent to the circle. Okay. Based on this, we have some theorems. Okay. Let's see the theorem. Okay. The theorem is okay. They given some other proof, but we don't know. Okay, let's prove theorem first. Theorem is mean show the tangent drawn to the circle from external point or from other point line is perpendicular to the radius. Have to show is perpendicular. What the statement is there? Theorem is there. The tangent at any point. Okay, theorem. The tangent at any point. At any point of a circle of a circle is perpendicular to the perpendicular, okay, perpendicular to the radius. Theorem, na, it should be like that as it is theorem, through the point of contact, through the point of contact. Okay, for the statements once again. The tangent at any point of a circle perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, this is the called point of contact. I erased this one. Okay, this is the called point of contact. Okay, this is the point of contact. And here from external point, okay, from external point we can draw only two radius tangents from external point, whatever it may be. Okay, any point, take any point should be externally. Okay, from external point we can draw maximum only two tangents from a point, from a fixed point to the circle. Right? Let's prove the theorem here. Okay. See, in book they given very simple, but here I am taking completely as it is proof. Okay, this is given here. First I will take the given. This is the circle, right? As it is in book. Okay, this is the circle. This is the x, y. This is the P. This is the point O. Okay, this we have to show 90 degree. Okay, given is OP is a radius and XY is a tangent. XY is a tangent. I am writing DGT, right? You can often you are using the word tangent. XY is a tangent and OP is a radius. Okay. To prove what you have to prove, angle XOP, angle XPO is equal to angle OYPO. Can write YPO is equal to 90 degree. Right? The proof is now how to write the proof. Okay. Construction, you need construction. Okay. Take point on P. Okay. Take any point on Q. XY plane Q. Okay. Draw OQ. Here the construction is some lengthy. We need to construct something else here. Okay. Take Q on XY and join OQ. Similarly, okay, Q dash, okay, PY line, PY, similarly Q dash on PX line, okay, such that join O here also Q dash, okay, O Q dash, such that OQ is equal to OQ dash and PQ is equal to PQ dash. This is the need to construct the whole thing. Okay, take a Q on PY, this PY, and join OQ, and similarly take Q dash on PX, this one Q dash on PX, join OQ dash, such that OQ is equal to OQ dash and PQ is equal to PQ dash. This is the construction you need to prove. Because according to theorem, they given different smallest part, largest part, something else. But I will prove this one by this method only. Similarity of the triangle. Okay, similarity of the triangle. Largest. Let us be okay. Next proof is one have to prove OQ is larger than OP. First, we need to prove OQ is larger than OP. I will prove it, but they proved also OP is a perpendicular. The shortest distance from the fixed point to a circle to a line is 90 degree. They given perpendicular, but I'm not getting the thing is done. Okay, I'm not getting understanding how it is. I have searched by that theorem. ಅವ್ರು ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Shortest distance ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ from line to the fixed point, that is the 90 degree perpendicular always they given. But I'm not getting the thing is. So this I can prove by the similarity. But perpendicular means I have to show the 90 degree at any cost. Okay. But there may be a theorem or concept, but still I searched it, not getting the. Because ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ತಗೋರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಬಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿ OQ, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ OQ is larger than OP. Okay, proof is right here. Okay, OPQ is a triangle. OPQ is a triangle, right? I'm constructing the something else here, D, such that, okay, draw PD is equal to such that PD such that I'm writing as that PD is equal to, okay, then I can write that also. Speed is such that angle Q is equal to angle O DPQ. This implies QD is equal to PD. This small construction in this proof. Okay, means that by using the triangular this one, which one, theorems, because in a triangle sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. That one by theorem, or you can take, okay, PD plus, okay, PD plus OD greater than OP. PD plus OD is greater than OP. Okay, see, by seeing the picture we can draw also. But this is the fundamental solid theorem in the triangle. PD plus OD is equal to greater than equal to OP. You can check it out also. What is the PD here? Because I will draw PD is equal to QD. QD plus OD is greater than OP. Right? What is QD plus OP? Because PD is equal to QD. This implies OD plus DQ is QD is OQ. OQ is greater than OP. Okay, this part I proved here in the theorem. Okay, OP is someone taken is considered as P because radius is difference. Therefore, OP is greater than, because here OQ is greater than OP. They proved like that by saying also it depends on the question. If it is a 5 mark question, you have to follow this one. If 1 more question, you can take the just see the diagram from the figure. We can prove that. Like that, we can write from the theorem. In a triangle, two sides, sum of two sides always greater than the third side. PD plus OD in triangle PDO. Okay, in triangle PDO, PD plus OD is greater than OP, and OD plus QD plus OD is greater than OP. OQ is greater than, you should not get confused. Na? This OQ is greater than this one, QD. Okay. Right. 1 is over. Okay. 1 is over. OQ is greater than OP. Right. Then you have to show the triangle. Okay. In triangle. Again, similarity, you have to prove the similarity, and then by the in triangles OQ dash P and triangles OQP. Okay, right. Okay. OQ dash is equal to OQ given by construction. Then PY is equal to PX construction. OP is equal to OP common. Therefore, both triangles are similar, congruent. Triangles OQP is congruent to triangle OQP. Therefore, angle OPQ dash is equal to angle OPQ. Okay, the one but OPQ dash plus OPQ is equal to 180. Linear pair angle. Okay, LPA, because OP is a common line. Linear pair angle. The sum of the linear pair angles is always 1 degree. So this can write as 2OPQ is equal to 180, because OPQ is equal to, from 1 we can also write OPQ dash. That's right. Therefore, OPQ is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, OP is a perpendicular line. Therefore, here we can write OP is a perpendicular to XY plane. XY line. The XY is a tangent. Only by this method you can prove, but in book they given the shorter distance, right? Since this happens every point, OP is the shortest of the all the distance, the point O to the points of XY. Okay. They given OP is the shortest distance to the line from the all other points. OQ is larger, OQ dash is larger. Okay, OP is only shortest point. That's why OP is a perpendicular. They given, but this one I'm not getting. You can prove by the theorems. Okay, this sum of the exterior angles, sum of the interior angles by theorem also. But I taken this one as an easy one, similar to the triangle. Therefore, OP is a 90 degree. When now OP and the 90 degree thoughts mele, then we can derive the OP is a perpendicular. That's why. Okay, theorem 1 is done. Okay, some examples, exercise there. Okay. So when says fill in the blanks, how many tangents can circle have? Infinite. How many tangents? Because there are how many points on the circle different on the tangents. Every point we can write many tangents. Okay. Let's take the examples exercise part here. How many tangents means you can make infinitely many tangents you can draw. This is the circle. Okay, take the one point here. See, from here I am drawing one. This one I am drawing this side and drawing this side again. Okay. Okay, this side and Okay. Yes, from one point you are drawing. It is not possible, na? At one point you can draw two tangents. From one point on circle we can draw only one point, right? So how many tangents can a circle? At one point you can draw only one tangent. And how many tangents can a circle have? Means many circles you can have. This is the tangent, 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 okay? Like this is the tangent, this is the tangent, this is the tangent, and this is the tangent, the tangent. At one point there will be one circle, one tangent, right? Right. Then tangent to a circle intersect in one point. Tangent to a circle intersecting in only one point. Next, a line intersecting the circle in 2 points is called intersecting. Second, a line intersecting the circle in 2 points is called, if the word is connecting, then you call it the chord. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at most 2. Okay. Only maximum, this is the only parallel. Parallel means distance will be common. Okay. At the same time, it can have two parallel tangents. Circle. The common point of a tangent to a circle and circle is called. Okay. The common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called tangent point. You can call. Okay. Let's see some other points also. Point of tangent. Point of contact. Right. Exactly. It's called point of contact. Point of contact for this one. Okay. Second one is the length based. Okay. Okay. Next class I have another theorem and some examples. Okay. I have only one important theorem is there. Only one important theorem is there. Okay. This is the introduction. If you want to more know, just go to the 9th class, 9th ICSE. They will get the more introduction about the cycles. ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ if you want more one, then better to follow the ICSE. ICSE ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಏರಿಯಾ, ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 9th ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, 10th ಅಲ್ಲ. 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ syllabus complete ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. That is for 9th ICSE to get the complete knowledge, more knowledge about the circles, basic circle, basic idea. Okay. And next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ we'll study the next theorem and some problems based on the theorem. Okay. And thanks for the watching.